How are you, my dear students? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a trapezoid out of a piece of paper. So what you need is a piece of paper or bond paper of any size. You can use any size of bond paper. May it be a short size bond paper or a long size bond paper or an A4 size bond paper. So in my demonstration, I am using a short size bond paper, and this is 8.5 by 11. So, and also you need scissors. So in this activity, we don't need ruler or protractor in making a trapezoid out of a piece of paper. Okay, so shall we start? So first step, this is very easy. You just fold your paper like this. Fold into half. So be sure that the edges of your bond paper are aligned, like this one. And then after that, you fold a triangular shape from one corner of your paper, okay, like this one. Be sure that you fold it at the corner of your paper. So you're going to press your paper so that the crease is visible. So like this one. Now after folding, you're going to cut now this portion here, the triangular part of your paper. So be sure to cut it evenly. Along the crease of your paper. So it is done now. So you have now your isosceles trapezoid. So this is an example of isosceles trapezoid. So an isosceles trapezoid, the legs, these are the legs here and here. These sides are the legs of the trapezoid, and the upper side and the lower side of the trapezoid are called the bases of your isosceles trapezoid. And this angle here is the base angle, and also here is also the base angle. So these are the base angles at the lower base and the base angles at the upper base. Okay, so I hope you got it right on how to make a trapezoid out of a piece of paper without using a ruler.